Supreme Court started in Halstorf. It has gone on for over 180 years, and it will soon move to new quarters. I understand they are a fitting tribute to the architecture of the Chinese and will be in keeping with the dignity, the history and the traditions of the Supreme Court of Ceylon. I need not speak to you, ladies and gentlemen, of the value of the Supreme Court to our country. The great men who have been its occupants, great men who are its occupants today, though we may have problems with them now and then, and in every society it is so, but I would like, since I have this opportunity of seeing you all and meeting you all, to say that even the judges can talk to you from this forum. Please remember that there is a problem that faces the government of this country. It's not a problem created by me. Never mind who created it. It is a problem. A problem where a group of men, the northeast and in the south, seek to violate the constitution which we have promised to safeguard, to destroy it, to tear it up, to kill those who function under it. It may not be judges of the Supreme Court, but there are other groups also that have to function for the constitution to work properly. Certainly, the government of this country, the President, the Prime Minister, elected all of them by the people, and other members of the governing party. Over 200 have been killed in the last few months that we are aware of. Not only of the United National Party, but of the United Socialist Association. The letters I get from our members occupying posts of importance, elected posts, of the fear they have to live, of the protection they ask from us which we cannot give, is something which makes my heart bleed. The country must be safe for people to walk, men and women. But if for political reasons they are to be done away with, are all of them to be brought to trial before your Supreme Court? Where is evidence? Yesterday we came across a young man from Kurunagala who was caught for burning a bus. In the course of the investigation it was found that he had killed 3. Young man, killed 3, all for political reasons. There may be no evidence to find him guilty, but he has confessed. Under our special laws, that confession can be admitted. He has confessed that he killed 3. There is a young man who tried to kill me and my Prime Minister and other ministers. He threw a bomb from a door just 10 yards away from me. It fell on my table, just here. Fortunately, it struck the edge. Therefore, it went over my head. He threw another bomb that went over my head. Killed a number of people. Clerk standing behind me fell dead. The Prime Minister had a pellet on his leg. My Minister of Sports on my left was injured. I was unhurt and unharmed. Fortunately, I saw neither the 2 bombs nor did I hear the blast. I was looking down, I was just about to get up, and if I had got up and the bomb burst, I do not know what the result would have been. But this young suspect, he has admitted to what he did. I'm reminded of Cicero in his defense of Prometheus, where he said, "Silent enim, leges inter arma." In the clash of arms, the laws are silent. That was almost 2,500 years ago. That is the question I pose, not for an answer, but for consideration. Laws cannot be silent in the clash of arms. but laws must be administered to permit the clash of arms to succeed in favor of those who safeguard democracy. There can be no other way. Otherwise your whole institution, the Harsdorf, the book you have printed, the courts we are building will no longer be there. And above all that, the society that we like. It has many changes to be made in it, no one denies that. I see the same argument going on in the United Kingdom, the Methodist Church and even the Church of England taking up the policy of Mrs. Thatcher and criticizing it. But that is all according to democratic principles. It is talk, it is writing, it is campaigning for an election, it is voting, it is the will of the majority. That is what we are committed to, that we have accepted, and that is what the Supreme Court has been created, exists now and in the future to protect. So it is for us, we the government, you the judiciary, others the lawyers, the members of the public, to consider what I have said. In the days to come we'll have to face that issue. How you should face it, how you should answer it, and how the Supreme Court, in its dignity and its majesty, should meet the new situation that faces the people of Sri Lanka. Thank you.